Robovacs promise clean floors without lifting a finger. But which brand actually does the job better? Roborock or Ecovacs? Both brands sell loads of models at heaps of price points, from a couple of $100s to premium machines that cost more than $3,000. They mop, they vacuum, they empty themselves, and some even try to pick up your socks. Choice tested how well they clean hard floors, carpet, pet hair, and how easy their apps are to use. On hard floors, Roborock usually picks up more dirt. On carpet, both brands struggle, but Roborock is a little better. Pet hair is a mixed bag, although Roborock rates higher overall. And for app control, both brands are easy to set up and run. Overall, Roborock comes out on top, but if you spot a good Ecovacs model on sale, that could be a smart buy too. Check our full reviews before you spend your money. Some models surprise, and not always in a good way.